Well, guess you can guess what today's video is about. No, we're just doing a tune-up, so that's going to be interesting. We're going to do a tune-up. Plugs, filters, fuel lines. What else we got? Oil change, and whatever else we decide to do. Just basic tune-up stuff, because, well, whatnot, and yeah. Well, this is kind of an impromptu film here. Of course, yesterday was too, but, well, it just ran good yesterday to me. And you know what? We could change these spark plugs, change these old junky fuel lines and fuel filters that's been on here for 15 plus years, and get this old 15-year-old oil out of here. Just see if that'll help it run a little bit better. I still want to check the points and stuff like that, but not today. Not today. Just going to do a real quick tune-up today. This oil will be draining. And then we'll change the plugs. So this oil is blacker than black. But it is nasty. It's better than what was in the first Samurai motor. And it's low. It's like barely on the bottom dip. Yeah. But it's still better than what was in the first Samurai motor. I don't even know how the heck this dang gum thing ran. The Honda. Back at the Honda. Alright. That'd be cool if it did. No, it's too big. I'll pull the plug. We'll see how she's looking down there. You know, I know this looks orange, guys, but I promise you it's like this. It's red, like this. Man, I thought this was fiberglass. That's aluminum. Wow. That's aluminum. Oh, cool. I promise you, this here is actually this red. It's just faded. That's the natural patina of the sun beating down on the tank. But this right here, it looks orange, guys, but it's red. You can look right here, and you can tell. And you can really peep it up underneath. I want to keep that. Give it some shine. Yeah. Oh, yucky, dude. Alright, now. Really looks good, to be honest. It's dark. It's not saturated with oil. It's not even fouled. But it is well used, guys. And I'm going to be a stickler here. I really am. But this is a Honda. A vintage Honda at that. We don't put champions in vintage Hondas. Only NJKs. Only NJKs. Who puts a champion in a Honda? Man. I don't think it's going to hurt it. No. Pretty sure it's got plenty of oil on that piston ring now. I definitely don't think it'll hurt it. Man, this spark plug here feels funky, guys. Funky. This spark plug feels funky. I'm just going to be honest with you. It is my hope that this thing don't break in here. Holy smokes, guys, it feels funky. Slow and low, man. There's a group that came out when I was growing up. Slow and low. Yeah, I ain't gonna say the rest. Oh, she feels funky. Low speed, slow, man. Come on, come on, come on out. Come on out. Oh, we almost got it. We almost got it, guys. Man, why does this thing feel so funky? Okay. Alright. We got it. This one. Oh, this one looks good, to be honest. Let me show y'all the difference here. Y'all can see it's about became 10 millimeters, you know what I'm saying. Y'all can see, I don't know if we disclosed to you how sometimes we got one that seems like it's popping a little bit. It was this side. This side here. And that makes sense now looking at these plugs. That makes sense. So that's probably going to be in the points. I do not believe this one has dual coils on it. Maybe wrong. This side here, you know, fairly I mean, y'all can see it, kind of dark, so saturated. And here's the other side. Actually, really normal wear for a spark plug, and pretty dang gum good for 15 years in storage. Again, I put a champion in there. That's going to change though, guys. Uniform, because right now they have this outside spout here on the petcock going to that one, and the inside one going to this one, so we're crossing with our fuel line. So I don't think it'll hurt to put them in line here, make them a little nicer. I like these fuel filters, but these are not what I'm going to go back with. Of course, what I'm going back with is just some basic, got it at O'Reilly's, nothing fancy. I'm going to do my best though to tuck them inside the two carburetors. That way we don't got this unsightliness here. And to clean up the installation some, I'm going to go back with just some old basic clear fuel lines. I put that clear fuel line on my Super Hot, and I really enjoy it. Kind of pretty when you crank that petcock open and you see that fuel line coming in. You know, since I do need a fuel filter on my 175, I'll probably just stick one of these on there. I'll mess around and shoot some brake clean or carb clean in this way and kind of reverse flush it and just stick that thing on there. It'll be good, you know. It'll be better than what's on there, because that's what's giving me trouble. I don't have any filter of the gas. So the other day we was riding.
Your best friend, the cheetah pipe, went on vacation and I had to go pull him from the Hawaii.
Alright. We went on a little ride the other day, and she, you know what, I won't need one. Got that. This ought to be enough booty.
Anyway, your best friend, the cheetah pipe, went on vacation and had to pull him from Hawaii to get him back.
I don't know where they're at.
I had to find it.
Yeah. This one ought to be enough. Oh yeah. As long as I don't knock this little bike over, we'll be okay. Man, hold on a minute. Yeah. That's loose. Look at that. It's amazing what a little extra booty can do. Leverage that is, guys. Leverage. What do we say? It's science! Oh, wait a minute. I'm showing my age here. Talking about science, you know, weird science. Well, I can get this little one over here now. I don't really expect a whole... Oh, you nasty booger, you! Right when I said it, it showed me wrong. What in the hell is that? No. Yeah. You gotta go build a paper towel dispenser in the shop. Okay, that's not what I expected for a plug. But I tell you what, that's a big old hole up underneath there, then. Okay. Y'all have to excuse my candidness there. I was really expecting a tiny plug. And at first, at first glance, it like, who put a daggone pipe fitting in there? Cap, but it's not. It's a true deal. Kind of neat on Honda's engineering. Just looking at this, there's a hole in here for settlement, and it almost looks like a little magnet in there, but I doubt that very seriously. So that's kind of cool on their part. Kudos to them for thinking about the heavy sediments want to come down, even if it was 1972.
Actually not bad.
Actually not bad.
We've seen a lot worse.
Let's just say that. It's not at the point of tarnish. It is discolored though. Well, we just want to show it a little love. Sweet.
Plug in. Both plugs are in. Well, when I say both plugs, I mean oil plug, the oil drain plug, and then the one spark plug.
Yeah. This is a zinc additive. Older motor. They need it. And we're going to put a little bit of this in that hole. No Marvel Mystery Oil. I wish they would learn to fix their caps.
Because they are not good.
I just want to cut the damn neck off this thing.
Yeah. That's how I get it.
Marvel, fix your stuff.
Here.
I love your products. Fix your stuff. Damn.
They seriously do need to fix their stuff. Cause it sometimes it opens, sometimes it don't.
Hey, let me try it.
And sometimes that thing opens and sometimes it don't. They need to fix it, seriously.
Like you can open it for the first time.
No problems.
And after that, it's just a good struggle. Yeah, I hate lids. That's what I'm doing, guys. I'm piece of shit, dude. Okay, so the black lid won't go back on it. A real informational deal on these Hondas, these old ones. People they check the oil with the dipstick screwed in.
Yeah.
That's not how you check the oil on these. If that's how you check your oil on your old Honda motorcycles, you're running your oil low. They are designed to just set in there like that, and that's how you read your oil. Also, I use a 1030 in that Super Hawk. Kind of what I prefer. But I read on this bike in particular, it called for a 1040. If I don't like how that Super Hawk runs with the 1030, I'll up it to a 1040. It makes sense to me, being a oil-cooled, air-cooled motor. A thicker oil won't get as hot as easy. For the sake of this video, I ain't going to do what I like to do.
What?
Just drain every drop out. I'll turn them over and do that later. Let's see where we're at. We ain't even registering. Bet you if I screwed it in, we would register. Alright, I'm going to go about half quart, then we'll check it. Might be happy with us. Get fuel, fresh oil. How about how much he takes? Oh, no.
some more. Oh yeah. Looks like about half it on it. Want me to start getting this plug in?
Yeah. That side felt a little funky coming out.
Oh, now I'll let you do it. I ain't gonna do responsible. No, thank you. Just won't hear the end of it. No, we'll pass on that.
Well, it actually needs a little bit more.
It's a bigger motor there. I'm not gonna hold the same as a 1-cylinder.
You know, that's weird. My Super Hawk's a 305, and it holds 1.75 quarts. I put 2 quarts in this. I mean, I know this is a 3. They call it a 350, but to be honest with you, it's a 326. Let me have that little bit of that royal purple right there.
1030?
Yeah, it's 1030. It'll be okay. You can mix this stuff in. This is really for my Super Hawk, but I'll just get me another quart. Yes, I just put a little 1030 in with the 1040. But hey, come on, man. I put the Marble Mystery Oil in there too, so it's doing the same thing. Oh, and the zinc additive. Very important for these older motors. That little zinc additive. I'm going to call that good with the oil. Now, when you do this, it's going to be completely over it. And that's perfect. Ideal. I love it. So, one plug, one, then the fuel lines, clean this carburetor out. Okay, it's not as fun as it used to be, guys. While I'm over there, I'm going to go ahead and clean this carburetor out. So, Jerry, we thought that we had a fiberglass fender up here. You know, just glancing. No, it's true aluminum. So that's a stock one. It may not be, you know, it's a stock one. I'm like, cool. Come on, man, why y'all put this on here so tight? Poor boy can't even grip this. Needle nose. Because I can't grip this little thing here.
Oh.
You know, they got it on so daggum tight you can't do nothing. I bet you that clutch is going to work.
Wow. There's already a Bronco Sport at IAA there.
Oh, man. Well, you know, people don't know how to drive.
Bronco Sport's the baby Bronco, but
Looks like it'd be a good extender for us. Look. That little bit of damage, and we're going to total it. I think that's some shit.
only 464 miles.
Just means it wasn't worth the crap to begin with.
If it's a base model, it's only worth $23,000 new. 28 something, man. Y'all do y'all research. Here's 8. So let's see how this carburetor bolt looks. Got the same, no drip hose. No drip hose on that one? No, ooh. Oh, good too. Well, there's no screw in it. We're gonna cut back with an update. Yeah, out of the ball, out of the clip.
That creates a problem for me.
We really want to go dig in this shop.
I don't have any.
Probably don't.
Actually, we ain't digging. I got the twist kind, but I'd rather use this old clamp. We need the 8mm clamp.
So let's fast forward in time to future us.
What's up, guys? We're going to interrupt your video real quick to tell y'all about a small channel I have recently come a liking to. My air conditioner just came on, so I just had to turn that off. But today I'm going to tell y'all about a small channel called Swamp Boy's Garage. Now, Randy shouted this channel out. Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds. I decided, let me go check this channel out. I watched half a video and I was hooked immediately. I mean, they just remind me of me and my dad. They're from Louisiana. We're from East Texas, so they're like the professional version of us. So y'all need to go check them out. I will have a link in the description below for you to go subscribe to Swamp Boy's Garage. Go subscribe. Y'all see, turn them post notifications on. And I will have a link in the description below. Now let's get right on back to the video, which I'm fixing to finish editing.
Future us is back, and I know y'all are kind of moving up and down. We got some clamps. We already routed everything. Oh, something with the petcock. We're just going to run it on red floor. Straight down low. Who really gives a crap? We're going to see if the fire is on the plug. Yeah, he got this plug in. New plugs. Fresh oil change. Cleaned out the carburetors. Made sure the seal valve is working. And I'm sorry if y'all can't hear us. I don't have the mic hooked up because that, and it's windy here, and I really don't feel like messing with the mic and having an issue of it not working right now. I'm just not in the mood. Clean the petcock valve while it was on the bike, so clean the carburetors while it was on the bike. Plus, that's more for me to have to put up. New fuel lines, new fuel filters. Have not checked the points. So yeah, we're gonna see how this thing. And I took the sissy bar off, so now we can. Yeah, we took this bar off.
Guys, he did something.
I took the dang bar off because I want to be able to slide back some more of that mother truck. Alright, yeah, I'm going to see how she fires up.
And we're going to test this after later on. I want to know what this does, so.
If y'all can see it, we have two here, move back up. Two random wires here, hope y'all can see it.
So, I'm hoping it's this kill switch. You touch it and then it dies.
This kill switch is going to work.
That's what I'm hoping. So, got the key on, got the fuel on. Still don't have air filters on it. I do have the air filters, but I got to find the sleeve that goes around them. I was going to put just some cone filters on here, but I may put them things back on here and have the stock filters. Yes, I'm still cut. don't think it's getting sparked. I don't think there's enough charge on that battery.
Alright, well, kill that, and I'll be right back. You gotta remember, we're getting a lot more air to it than we will with the filter. So that has it cut. It's gonna die as soon as we take this off though. Oh shit. It stayed on. I'll let it charge a little bit. It actually sounds better. I was bringing that idle up just a hair. Listen, I got WD-40 all on it and stuff. We still have this pop, 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 and I don't know. Go ahead. Cut out that smoking. Yeah, well, there you have it. Tune up something, it smokes, so it's probably Marvel, so.
Let's fire up.
Yeah, there we got.
See if it'll fire now that we've kind of worked out a little trick. I've been holding here. You don't have to hold it. I've got a deal now down right there. Get this here. I get it right in there. I get this handbar. I'm learning. This is a different bike than that one. My 175, I started with it on in the saddle. This one I'm having to do this way. But hey, keep running. In all honesty, I think the motor is more quiet than it was before. I realize we got a little smoke coming out the tailpipe. But I think the motor is more quiet now with that zinc additive and some good heavyweight oil in there. And I'm pretty sure the more we run this motor, it kind of might be like them old school cars. Look, the more you run it, and them rings, when they get hot, they'll swell up. Maybe that smoke will... Still giving it. Who knows? We're going to run it for a while. Let's go try to ride it. I'm going to enjoy her for a little bit.
And see you in a little. What's up? So, we got the, right here. So we have everything put on. We got the gas tank off right now because we have a bad coil, we believe. And that's why one side isn't firing. That's all going to be off, really off camera. Just something we're working on because we want both cylinders firing. Next time you see us will be another time eventually, but I want to thank y'all for watching this video. I don't know how long it is. I was hoping for it to be 20 minutes, but we'll see. It might end up being a 40-minute video. I don't know. It's just going to be an entertaining video regardless. So, thank y'all for watching. This is our 1971 Honda sl350, not XL. It's still 71 because the month has not passed 4. Although it might just be a 72. I'm calling it 71 because it's got the rim. We still have all our other vintage bikes. We like vintage bikes. Well, that one's not vintage, just red seated. But we like vintage Honda some. But I want to thank everybody for watching. Make sure you go check out the merch. Buy you some merch. Get shirts, not like this one because this is Diablo, but get you shirts that'll have ithwitt on them. Get you hats. If you want a hat, you gotta DM me or email me or send me a message on my Facebook page. You gotta contact me personally for a hat, and I really don't care. Make sure you get your shirts. Check out our membership on Patreon, where you get to see awesome stuff like this a day to 2 days, sometimes even a week before. Yeah. So they'll probably see this. They'll probably see some of the upcoming videos way before y'all. So go check out Patreon and join the membership. Got 4 different levels. You can join the membership. Make sure you go check out the merch. Check out Patreon. If you want to donate, you can donate to my Cash App, _ ithwitt, or to my PayPal. Link for that in the description. And we appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.